Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sekina Tuba, and if this is the first time stopping by, if this is the first time seeing this beautiful face here, most definitely welcome. How are you guys doing? So in today's video I'm going to share with you guys how to get rid of dark spots. Okay, how to get rid of dark spots using the vitamin C. In my last video I talked about vitamin C for flawless skin. I like the benefit of vitamin C, how vitamin C works on the skin, and I promise that I'm going to show you guys how to use it and then how to purchase the right vitamin C. So you can use vitamin C in different forms. Okay, you can use it in a pill form like this. This is the vitamin C pill. This is 100 milligram, or you can use it in a serum form. This is the Dr. Rachel's vitamin C brightening serum. You can also use it in like a moisturizer form, and I think I've seen some vitamin C cleansers as well and vitamin C toners. So you can use vitamin C in different ways. But personally, I'm talking about my own personal self right now. I'm using these two. I'm using the pill and then the serum. So this serum is basically the Nature's Field serum. It is the 1000 milligram serum. 1000 milligram pills. And first of all, this video is not sponsored by any of this brand. I'm just telling you guys what I've been using and what works for me. So this is not sponsored in any way. So like I said, this is Nature's Field, and this is why I love this particular table. I've tried other brands as well, but I didn't like it. The reason why I like this is because apart from the fact that it has vitamin C, which is the active ingredient, and it also has rose hip fruit powder, it has citrus bioflavonoid peel powder, and it also has acerola berry powder, and these are all powder that are amazing for the digestive system and for the skin in general. So that's why I love this actual one. Now for the serum, normally I usually use the vit.C vitamin C serum. I'm going to put in the picture on the screen. That's one I've been using for the longest time. I just started using this Dr. Rachel vitamin C brightening serum, so I've not actually gotten the hang of it, but I know it's cool. Number one, I love the scent. It smells amazing. I love that about it. It smells amazing. So the one I've been using for a very long time is the vit.C vitamin C. Like I said, the picture is going to be on the screen. I've been using that for a very long time and I absolutely love it. It does wonders to your skin. It tightens your pores, it brightens your dark spots, and it just makes your skin looks glowy and youthful. That's what I love about that one. And this one, so far so good. I've been loving it. I've not used to the extent of knowing what like the actual work, but I know that I love the texture and I love the scent. It smells amazing. The vit.C doesn't have a scent, but this one actually has fragrance, and I like that. I like that. So those are the two vitamin C products that I use. You can use any other one. You can use face creams, you can use anyone. Basically, let me now tell you guys how to purchase your vitamin C. What kind of vitamin C is the right vitamin C to buy? So that I have my notes right here that I just wrote stuff on, so I don't miss any point. So if you see me looking down, I'm looking at the book. So there are different types of vitamin C in the market that you can purchase. Okay, there are different kinds of vitamin C that you can purchase. But the best vitamin C for the skin, okay, we're talking about skin right now, is ascorbic acid or L-ascorbic acid. That is the best. There are other ones. There's like magnesium ascorbic phosphates. There are other ones in the market, but when you buy your vitamin C in the market, you always buy the ascorbic acid or L-ascorbic acid. Like my pills right now, I'm going to be showing you guys the vitamin C in it. It is specified that it is ascorbic acid. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's specified that it is ascorbic acid. So that is the best vitamin C that you want to buy for your skin, right? Now when you want to buy vitamin C, okay, you want to get vitamin C that has a 10 to 20% strength. Like you want to buy the one that has a concentration of 10% to 20%. Lower than 10% might not be effective, and higher than 20% might irritate your skin. So whatever vitamin C you want to buy, make sure it is between 10 to 20% in concentration. Okay, so that's the first thing. So if you are using the pill, the recommended dosage for an adult is 500 milligrams to 3000 milligrams for an adult. Okay, you don't want to exceed 3000 because it might irritate your system, and you don't want to use below 500, then you're not using anything. It's not going to be effective. So as you can see, the one I'm using is 1000 milligrams. I just have to stay like on average. I don't want it to be too high, I don't want it to be too low, so I'm using the 1000 milligram. There's one of 500 milligram. If you're starting out to use vitamin C pills, I would recommend you start with the 500 milligram, and then you see your tolerance to it, then later you can try to start using 1000. Personally, I don't recommend higher than 1000 milligrams. This is the one that I use on a daily basis. So, and how do I use my vitamin C pills? I know a lot of you guys will be wondering. So I usually use my vitamin C pills. Apparently it is recommended that you use your supplements on empty stomach in the morning. Why? Because that's like the best effective way to do it. But personally, like maybe it's the Nigerian setting, I'm used to using drugs generally with meals. I'm used to using my drugs with meals or after meals. So personally, you can also use your vitamin C pills with your meals. So, or you can also use it on empty stomach in the morning before breakfast. Anyway, any which way is cool, is good, it works. Now for the serum. How I use my serum is very simple. It's just like every other serum. After you clean your skin with your soap or your cleanser, you tone your skin with your toner, and then the next thing is the vitamin C serum. And you use this before your moisturizer or your face cream. Basically, you wash your face and then you use your serum. Then after your serum, you go ahead to use your face cream or your moisturizer. Okay, that's basically it. Some certain ingredients there's some certain combinations that you can't have with vitamin C. So like that means like there are some certain ingredients that you don't want to use at the same time that you're using vitamin C, or you don't want to have it in the same formulation. For example, retinol. You don't want to have retinol with vitamin C at the same time. They will irritate your skin. They are like this, they are not going to work. Like it's basically, it's either not going to work or it's going to irritate your skin. For example, like my face cream that I showed you guys, my goji berry face cream, wow, I don't know, that's so bad. My goji berry face cream has retinol in it. So when I started using the what's it called, the Dr. Rachel vitamin C, I've stopped using that face cream. Actually, it has finished, so I decided not to buy it for now till I'm done with this vitamin C. So I decided I'm going to buy a different face cream. Right now I don't have a face cream. I use my body cream for my face at the moment. So I'm going to get a face cream that doesn't have retinol in it. Now for oily skin, if you have oily skin, vitamin C is your best bet, because number one, it is a water-based ingredient, so therefore it's not going to add additional oil to your skin, and you cannot just go wrong with vitamin C. It will help you to fade your dark spot, it will help you to tighten your pores, thereby reducing the amount of oil that is secreted out into your skin. So that way you're going to reduce like that oiliness is going to reduce. Okay, like the collagen that it produces would help to reduce sagging and wrinkles, and you have that smooth, tight, youthful look. Okay, and you have that glow to your skin without it actually being oily. Like I said in the last video, vitamin C also helps to treat inflammation that is related to acne. Maybe you have acne scars, for example. The reason why I went back to buy my vitamin C serum is because I had acne, and then I have like a lot of dark spot that is left behind, like acne scars. So this vitamin C, consistent use of vitamin C will definitely get rid of it. I'm going to show you guys the update. Obviously, if my spot has gone, I'm going to show you guys. So it helps to get rid of any inflammation or any scars that is left behind by acne. Now it's going to help you to improve your skin texture and your skin color and your skin appearance. Now, like I said, vitamin C, for you to see the effect of vitamin C, you have to use it for at least 4 to 12 weeks. Like that means 4 weeks is the minimum time that you start seeing visible results, and 12 weeks is like if you don't see result of vitamin C in by 12-week time, then you better stop using it. Like just stop, because there's no point. If you haven't seen your result at 12 weeks, like then it's either the vitamin C you bought is fake, or it is not active enough, or you're not getting a good amount of vitamin C. Like the concentration is not enough. That is basically it. Like I said, the concentration of vitamin C that you want to use should be between 10% to 20%. Below 10% might not be effective. Above 20% might irritate your skin. I said for an adult, you want to use a dosage of 500 to 3,000 milligram of vitamin C in pill form. Actually, I was actually put on this by my mom. Like she uses this, and I actually absolutely love what it does to her skin. So when I started using it, I did it for like 4 or 5 days, about a week, and I was complaining that, oh mommy, this is not working on my skin, I'm using medicine for nothing. She was like, you have to use at least 3 sachets of this vitamin C, of this thing, before you start seeing visible results. And as you can see, this actually comes with 10 pills. So if I'm going to be using 3 sachets of this to see visible result. That means 10 times 3, that is 30 pills, right? That is 1 per day. So that is 30 pills. So 30 days, that's like a month. That is 4 weeks. So definitely, she's absolutely correct. You have to use at least 3 of this before you see visible results. And this actually retails for about 800 naira. So it's not that expensive for amazing skin. It's with a lot of people spend a lot more on all this organic skincare. So this is actually, it actually retails for like 800 naira. You can also get the pack. The pack is about 4,500 or 5,000 naira, and it comes with, I think, 10 sachets of this. And my mom uses this, so we sometimes buy it in sachet and we sometimes buy it as a pack. Now for the vitamin C serum, this is the sour vitamin C. The Dr. Rachel's vitamin C, this actually retails for 2,500 naira, which is not bad, which is also very affordable because this is actually big and it comes with a lot of products. The Desal vitamin C that I actually use, that one actually retails for about 1.5 to 1.7. It is smaller than this, but it goes a long way as well. So vitamin C is actually amazing on the skin. That is basically the whole point of this. So you, like I said, I use the pills and I use the serum. This is the two that I use in case if you want to use it too. Like, anybody can use this, by the way. Any skin type, any skin color, any skin texture. It is for every skin type and every skin texture. There's one particular thing that I need you guys to know. Now, there are some side effects. Everything has side effects. There are some side effects to vitamin C. It's a very, very mild ingredient, but some people have very, very sensitive skin that whatever there is on their skin will always react. So when you're using vitamin C for the first time, it might cause some kind of redness or it might sting a little bit. But with time, it's going to go away. It will take only a few days, then it's going to go away. It's not going to it's not like terrible itching or terrible stinging or terrible redness. But with time, it's going away. But if you have used it up to 7 days and the redness and the itchiness or the stinging doesn't go, then stop using it. That's why it's always important to test your any product you want to use. Like, and I've told you guys, if you want to use any new product, what you want to do is you want to take that product, so you want to put it in your elbow, right here, right? You want to test it right there to see the effect. But this part is like very, very sensitive. So whatever you want to use, whatever any product you want to use, take that product. Let's say you want to use this vitamin C for the first time. You want to take it like this, and you want to apply it on your elbow right there, like so. So you want to apply it right there and leave it, right? And then just go about your day. And then as time goes on, you want to see, maybe as time goes on, you want to see the reaction that it does to that part of your body, to that your elbow. If it's causing any redness, if it is stinging at that part, then you want to know that it's probably like whatever happens to your elbow will probably happen to your face. So you always try to test out whatever product that you want to use. So that is basically it for today's video. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and be sure to hit the bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.